Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's double box break number 694 of 1314 UD Ultimate. Last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on September 11th at 8:32 p.m. Eastern Time. So eBay's current date and time. Quick reload. It's currently Friday, September 12th at 12:24 a.m. Eastern Time. So we are live on Breakers TV here. Per normal, 694, and these are boxes 9 and 10 from the case, and our serial numbers tonight are NE2211499901 and 49882. (49901) and 9882. We're still waiting for a patch auto to come out of this. Hit a lot of decent looking patches out of the set already, signature patches. I think we're waiting on legends too. So there should be quite a few nice stuff to come out still. So good luck everyone. I'm not a super big fan of this new Breakers format, to be honest. Made everything confusing. So 9882. So good luck everyone. How are you doing, Paul? Everybody else that's watching. So good luck everyone. So we have a base of Tuukka Rask, $4.99. The Bruins. We have a ultimate rookies of Nikita Zadorov, or Zadorov, $4.99 for the Sabres. Oh, nice. We have a ultimate rookies level 2 of Tyler Toffoli for the LA Kings. Surprised he's not a rookie out 99. We got Brian Flynn this one. And here we go. We have a ultimate rookie 6 jersey. Which is actually going to be random. 20 of 35. We got Nathan McKinnon, Nail Yakupov, Sean Monahan, Seth Jones, Valerie Nichushkin, and Tomas Hertl. Which is actually going to be a pretty nice random there. That wasn't a patch version. So I won't focus. Let's do that right at the end. Box number 2. 9901. Well, I think that's what they might. Do you use Firefox as your browser doing? Because I get that problem before too, where like it almost I have to refresh every single time. No patch again. Use Chrome. Yeah, they had that layer squashing error before though. So here we go, guys. Sorry for the rant. We got Jamie Benn, $4.99 for the Dallas Stars. We have a ultimate rookies of Anton Belov for the Edmonton Oilers, $4.99. We have a redemption, so we'll do the redemption last. We have a ultimate rookies, or sorry, ultimate jersey, Curtis Joseph for the Phoenix Coyotes. Cujo for the Coyotes. Is featured as a Coyote here. And final hit is ultimate signatures of Patrick Kane, which I do believe is a Group A for the Chicago Blackhawks. So if you're ever Chicago, I can eBay message you the code if you like. And there we have it, guys. That concludes the break. And for anybody who's interested in a random team, we're going to probably do a mini mixer with UD Ultimate, a couple boxes of Prime, and then I guess the K-Sed Supreme packs, which I posted video in the YouTube channel for anybody Interested in seeing what's in it. Probably supposed to break sometime tonight, so I'll check that out. Oh yeah, there we go. I only had 5 teams there. Right, so we have the randomizer step in order of the card here. So we got Avalanche from left to right. So from top left to right, we got McKinnon, Yakupov. In the middle, we got Monahan, Seth Jones, Valery Nichushkin, and Tomas Hertl on the bottom. So we're going to random the list 3 times. Team on top. After the 3rd time, we'll receive the card. So good luck to the 6 teams in it. 1, 2, and 3. The winner is the San Jose Sharks. And you have randomized this list 3 times. Congratulations, San Jose.